In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a demo account in Tradingview. Whether you're just starting your trading journey or looking to refine your strategies without risking real money, Tradingview's paper trading feature offers the perfect environment to practice confidently. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through setting up your very own demo account, explaining each step along the way to ensure you can start trading in no time. And if you're new to Tradingview, you can use the link in the description to create your account and follow along with this tutorial. To get started, locate the trading panel. You'll find it at the bottom of your Tradingview window. This is the section where all trading-related options are managed, including the ability to connect to demo accounts like the one we're setting up today. Once you've spotted the trading panel, click on it to open the menu. Now, within the trading panel, look for the option called Paper Trading. This is Tradingview's built-in demo trading system, designed specifically for practicing your trades without the risk of using real funds. Go ahead and select Paper Trading. Once you've done that, click the Connect button to start setting up your demo trading environment. After connecting, you'll need to create your demo account. Look for the Create Account option. In some cases, you might see this as a small account icon instead. Either way, click on it to proceed. Now it's time to name your account. Set an account name that's easy to recognize. For example, you might name it something like Practice Account or Strategy Testing. Giving your account a specific name can be really helpful, especially if you decide to create multiple demo accounts in the future for different purposes. Next, customize your starting balance. This determines how much virtual cash will be available in your account for practice. Think about what aligns best with your goals. If you want to simulate real-world trading conditions, you might set a balance similar to the amount you plan to trade with in reality. On the other hand, if you're just exploring the platform, you can experiment with higher or lower amounts. Choose what works best for you. Now, let's set the leverage for your account. Leverage allows you to amplify your potential profits or losses based on the trades you make. It's an important setting to consider carefully. If you're new to trading, I recommend starting with lower or default leverage, as this is a learning environment as you become more comfortable. You can adjust it later to test more advanced strategies. After that, you'll need to input a commission value. This step is essential because it simulates the trading fees you'd encounter in real markets. By including these fees, your practice results will more closely reflect actual conditions, giving you a more realistic understanding of how your strategies perform. Once you've configured all these settings, press the Create button to finalize your paper trading account. Keep in mind, it may take a moment for Tradingview to complete the setup, so don't worry if you see a brief delay. After your account is ready, click Trade Now to start using your demo account. From here, you can explore all the features of the platform and begin practicing your trading strategies. Test different approaches, analyze your results, and familiarize yourself with the tools available. And remember, you can always adjust your account settings or create a new demo account if you want to refine your practice further. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.